Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I want to talk to you about how to grow your website traffic and how to optimize your website. So yeah, it's been a while since my last video came out, but yeah, it is what it is. This time it was so busy for me, my normal work. So in case you didn't know, I am doing website building and yeah, web design and digital marketing and SEO campaigns for my clients. So I run an own agency, and it was so busy I don't have any time to create a new video. So and now I found a little bit time on the weekend to create a new video. And yeah, so I want to talk to you about one of my favorite topics, and this is of course SEO, search engine optimization, and how you can grow your website. And yeah, nowadays, since the last Google updates came out, it's getting more and more complicated to rank your website and yeah, to get found on the search engines, to get traffic through the search engines. And in this video I want to talk to you about yeah, how you can optimize your website to get found. So yeah, maybe you have an online store, you have a website where you're offering your services or want to show your company your services, and so on and so on. And yeah, in this video I want to give you some quick tips on how you can optimize your website yourself. Maybe you don't have that much money to spend on an agency, or you don't want to, or you want to do it yourself and you don't want to hire professional agency. And yeah, I want to show you how we do it and how we optimize websites for our clients. And so here you can see I have a topical map or an SEO map. So where I want to show you how everything involved in SEO and how yeah, what you need to do in order to rank your website, optimize your website. So you can see we have our SEO topics here, and these topics are broken down in four or five major topics here. So you can see we have on-page SEO, off-page SEO, then yeah, keyword research and technical SEO. And yeah, these are the main topics related to SEO, search engine optimization. And now I want to show you everything you have to do in order to compete with your competitors, or even to outrank your competitors in the search engines. And yeah, so then let's get started. So so it doesn't matter if you have an online store or a website where you want to offer your products and your services. So it's almost the same. So then let's get started with on-page SEO and technical SEO. So these both topics are yeah, pretty much related to each other, on-page and technical SEO. Here you can see of course what's important. So of course the content quality is very important. If you are writing content on your website, of course you have to write content for your website, because yeah, Google only can index content, written content. So it's really important that you write enough content, that you update your content frequently, and yeah, that your content is really high quality. So please don't use AI content, because yeah, it's a little bit of a rough topic. So AI content, I don't like AI content that much, because yeah, it's not original content. So it's scraped from other websites, from other sources, and then mixed and then yeah, put in new words. So make sure better it is to write your own content. So if you offer some kind of services, for example, then yeah, describe these services with your own words. And then we have yeah, content audit. Make sure you audit your content. And internal linking, this is really important. So make sure you include internal linkings when you are mention something that is related to similar to another topic or to a similar site you already have on your website, then it's really important that you include internal linkings, because then Google or other search engines know exactly that these external or these other sites are similar to this topic what you are talking about in this specific content. Yeah, and then images, make sure you use unique images when it's possible. Make your own images with your, for example, with your mobile phone or with your camera, because Google can see that these are an unique image, because because Google can identify the image, and also with the EXIF data on the image. If you take an image with your phone, for example, then all the data, the EXIF data, will stored on your image, and Google can identify this, where the image has been taken, when the image has been taken, and so on and so on. Images are really important, because images are can tell such a huge story. If you, for example, offer a specific service, then make your own images. Images are really important. Then title tags are really important. I will show you later about title tags, meta descriptions as well. The URL structure is really important. Make your URL structure really catchy, really short, so that, for example, or that the search engine can identify what the specific URL is, and also the real a real human, a real visitor can see what page are they on and what the page is all about. Then schema markup is also really important. Then let's go to technical SEO. Here you can or you have to optimize your website on the technical side. So make sure that you don't have any errors on your website, that your website is or the core web vitals is mobile friendly, all the HTML and CSS is correct, your JavaScript, you have a sitemap, you have a robot.txt, that they are accessible, and then of course SSL. What I want to show you real quick, if you want to make an technical SEO audit, an on-page audit, we have a really cool tool here. Though this is my tool. This tool is completely free. I will leave the link to this tool in the video description down below. You can check it out. You can use it as often as you want. It's completely free. You don't have to sign up. You can make an account here. Then you will see even more in detail inside information, but you don't have to. You can use it as often as you want. It's completely free. It's my tool. And for example, here's a website I made an audit for. You can see I audited this website, and here you can see there's you can see the title tag for this website. You can see the meta description. In this case, they don't have a meta description. You can see the heading structure of the website. Then you can see the snippet, the Google snippet preview. This is really interesting, and this is really in-depth, this audit tool. You can see the XML sitemap. You can see the robot file. Then the URL structure you can see, and also here you can see the backlinks, what the website has, and the site speed. This tool measures the site speed. You can see in this case the site speed is not good. We have to optimize the site speed of the website. Here you can see the language tag, and so on and so on. So much more information. And if you are sign or log in, make an account, then you get even more information. So like I said, the link to this tool is in the video description down below. It's completely free. Check it out if you want. And let's go back to our mind map here. And here you can see also if you want to rank high in the search engine, then off-page SEO is also really important. So a really important topic is, or really big topic is, backlinks. So in order to rank high, then you need to have backlinks, high quality backlinks. Here are some tools you can use, or some tools you can use to generate backlinks. You can use Harrow. You can start using Harrow to generate backlinks. You can search other websites for broken links, and then you can mail them that you that they have broken links on your website, and maybe they can include your website, and then so on and so on. And here is social media. It's really important. So if you have a social media account connected to your website, then it shows Google and the other search engines that your company, that your business is active, and that you are active on social media, that your website is live, that your company is alive. And so Google My Business is also really interesting and really important. Then citations and digital PR, of course. And the next thing is keyword research. So the main topic is keyword research here. So it's important to build a content strategy, a topical map. So for example, you can start creating blog posts and show potential customer or potential visitor that you have the right content on your website, what they're searching for. For this, of course, you have to find the right keywords and the right topics. I will show you later a few tools you can use. Here you can see, of course, Ahrefs, SEMrush, for example, and then Google Autocomplete. This is really good. And what you can use to find good topics and keywords, for example, is Answer the Public. You can use Answer the Public. And since Neil Patel take over Answer the Public, I think you have up to three queries each day. Let's go here. If you can, I will put the link in the video description. So if you want to find new topics you can write about, then you can use this tool. It's really good. So for example, let's make auto repair, for example. Repair, for example, then not German, English. Let's click on search. You can see this tool gives you so many ideas you can talk about, you can write about. So if you want to start a blog on your website, then you can use this tool to find new topics to write about. Here you can see what real users are searching on Google and other search engines, what their questions are. This is a really great tool. You can play around with it and use this tool. And what's also really good to find keywords and to see the competitor level, you can use Ahrefs. So of course Ahrefs is a paid tool, but they also have a free version. So if you don't want to spend the money to use the paid version of Ahrefs, you can use the free keyword generator tool from Ahrefs to find keywords. For example, let's type in here auto repair shop, for example, and then auto repair shop, click on find keywords, and then we get a few keywords here. Let's wait a second. Here you can see the keywords, and then you can see the keyword difficulty, you can see the volume, and here you can see of course, in this case, auto repair shop, of course, it's really competitive, but here you can see, for example, 0 keyword difficulty. Then yeah, you can use it, you can try it out. I will of course leave the link in the keyword description, in the video description down below. And also I have a cool PDF file here. I will also put the link in the video description where you can download these on-page SEO checklist. So if you want to optimize your website or the pages of your website for that, it's completely optimized for SEO, you can print it out and then yeah, check all these points here. You can see keyword research, keyword placement, where you have to place the keyword in order to yeah, optimize your pages. So, and yeah, I think these are my tips for you. You can implement in your website in order to rank higher in the search engines. And yeah, so that's it for the video today. And if you found the video informative, if you like my content, then make sure to press the thumbs up button. And also if you want to stay up to date with my channel, then yeah, please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And yeah, that's it for now. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.